This is the bathtub. It is so large, and I really like the curvature on it. I just like could lay in there and it's not like pushing against my back. Super thought through. Whoever came up with this idea, it is so comfortable. And then we did like white silicone sealant on there. Two people easily fit in there. Like, it is big. It is very tall. It has this bumpy stuff on the bottom, and it's nice because then you can't slide. You won't slide around this thing. It's pretty cool. The overflow. Love this bath. And it's so aesthetic. So aesthetically pleasing. So happy we got it.